Hey guys, this is Quentin. Boy, I'm sorry that I have not made a garage door opener video in a long time. This is the outside of the garage. Here's the keypad outside, and I have my remote in my hand. Okay, so excuse me. So here's the keypad right there. Excuse me, but I can't show you the code. I'll show you what's inside. It's a Craftsman. If I get inside view with the keypad, so that is a Craftsman, so I will get the opener view, the top view, since I have a ladder. Then here I will use the remote to open it up. And here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I'm going to close it. That's the garage door opener view. On the top view, if I get the motor view, let's do that. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, it's a belt drive opener. That's a garage door opener. Zach tells people when they get a new garage door, if they have their emergency release handle upside down. They told him that their emergency release handle is upside down sometimes. This is a new garage door opener since we didn't have a garage door opener out here. This is a Craftsman this is a Wi-Fi opener and smart. It's an ultra quiet belt drive. This is our new opener. The guy put it on there. Here's the light button. the light will blink and I will open the garage door with using that with the thing opened. Yep, that's our new garage door opener with our old garage door. With a new garage door piece. That's our old garage door, and that's our new garage door opener. Yep, that's the Craftsman. I'm gonna do the on button, hold it down, and then you see the light blinking. I will hear the beep, 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 beep. Wait for the garage door opener to close. Okay. I'm gonna stand way right over there. I'm gonna stand over there. I know that the emergency, and the tag is also upside down too, so that no one reads it. But only us. Just in case if the garage door opener is broken. But if it's been there for quite a while. But the guys had to put it up yesterday on that Craftsman. Waiting for that to close. The light will blink 10 times. More than 10 times. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16. It was 15 times when the buzzer closes. Now we'll hold the off button. There's a mosquito out there. Wait a minute. I think it's a small mosquito. It's a mosquito eater out here. I'm going to open the garage door to let the mosquito eater out. I don't want it to suck my blood. I think the mosquito's gone. That's a mosquito eater. Okay. Now, that's a very, very nice garage door opener. Very nice garage door opener. I love this new garage door opener. I love this new garage door opener. Okay. That's the opener that I picked. And now we'll wait for the opener to beep. Okay, now we'll wait for the garage door to close for 1 minute. Then I'll go in the house and use it, and then I will go in the house and shut the video, and I will use the bathroom. Okay. This is our house that's in Pollock Pines. If you guys never seen a garage door opener that's in a detached garage, you're really, really missing out. And I'll show you the house. This is a washer and dryer, which is in the basement. And this is the main floor, or the kitchen. And this is my room is back there, and my mom's room way over there. And up there, that's my sister's room. And the basement is a guest room and an office. And I sleep in the pull-out couch. Oh, that one it closes it for 16. The light blinks 16 times and then closes the garage door. I know you hear the beep 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 beep. You can do that on your phone too. Yeah. When I come to the garage, the light turns on. When I come in the garage, the light turns on. Don't know why. I just had to shut the light off so that the opener lights cool down for a bit. I want the opener lights to cool down so that they don't get burned out. Okay, guys. Have a nice day. I'm sorry that I haven't made a garage door opener video in a long time. So, see you later, YouTube. Take care, everyone. Peace out, everyone. Bye.